Yo, what up? Yeah. How you doing, man? How you doing? Yo, by the way, it's the 25th of April. Well, it's a Saturday. And Thursday and Friday, we were not able to record anything. But I'm telling you, past 2 days, Thursday and Friday trading. Not too bad, but actually made some major decisions that could definitely affect our portfolio positively. But before that, let's talk about the current value right now of the PSEI. That's 5,943. We're down 0.67% when it comes to the portfolio. This is what I was talking about. Roughly, we had an unrealized loss of more than 120K. Right now, it's 62K. So, y'all know what that means. Yep, we closed some losing positions. We're doing it. We're doing it. Completely, we have not done it clearly because we still got more or less half of the loss. But we will be rotating it this coming Monday. And I'm going to show you what we did over Thursday and Friday. So, as you can see, current stock portfolio at 1.1 million. We have dry powder of 125K, so that's roughly 1.2 100 1,280,000 most probably. Yep. And we reach right around 1.3 million. So we down from our basic highs of 50,000 pesos. Hmm. So let's get it on. Let's talk about our our trades over the past 2 days. By the way, how was your trading, y'all? I'm talking I'm talking about our last 2 days. Yep, it's been going down lately, pretty volatile. I think we should be happy about that. Chances of us making money hopefully sooner. And the game plan is still the same. You know, as much as possible, we look for the undervalued dividend stocks. And once we reach an ample amount of gains, either from dividends or capital gains, we close the positions. All right, as per what we're saying, it's the alpha protocol, and it's turned on, baby. So what did we do on the 23rd, 24th? So here they are. Here they are, all right? So let's just show these view orders. No, it's not showing. Let's see. Let's just check out history. So here we go. This is last. Let's start with Thursday. Let's start with Thursday. All right. Thursday, I tried selling. Actually, I sold UnionBank. That's 25 per share. Quite an ample amount of um, quantity, 1,800. I'm not quite sure how much we got from selling this. Let's check out the ledger there if that's the case. So here. So let's start on Friday. Friday, we close a lot of positions, and we're talking about positions, the micro positions. So we are changing our approach. Instead of buying little stuff just to prevent us from, paying much more fees, transaction fees, taxes. Well, taxes, it's something inevitable. We really can't control it. It's like death, you know. So we closed at PSP. The swing trade didn't go well. Hmm. That's around 3,200. Credited back to our dry powder. Another one is China Bank. Yep. Instead of buying Union Bank, China Bank, I would rather focus everything on just one bank, and that would be Metro Bank. That will be my Metro Bank, my main bank in the PSC. So that's around 2,500 back to our dry powder and a rate. So I'll just focus in two. two main REITs, RCR and MREIT. Most probably because they're the ones I have high convictions on. A REIT, not so much. I think it's pretty high already. Okay, so that's around 27K back back in our dry powder. And by the way, we made a move last Friday. This was the big move I was talking about. 61K worth of URC. I pretty believe URC with its 7% dividend yield and how undervalued right it is right now. If you ask me, it's right around 40% undervalued. It could even be more, especially if the inflationary environment eases down. Let's say a year or two. I'm willing to hold this for a year or two. That's with high conviction now. Yes, that's the game plan. We're changing it up. So we sold Union Bank. This was on Thursday. Okay, that's good. We got 44K back on our dry powder. So as you can see, our dry powder has really risen. It's now 125K, and I'm excited for that because because we will know, we will be able to rotate and gain some dough this year, 2026, which is we are not as active as we were way back 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, and 2025. Semirara, we closed Semirara 500 shares for right around 30 pesos. We got 15K back of dry powder. OGP. So, oh, by the way, Semirara. So instead of having DMC and Semirara at the same time, we're focusing more in DMC. We know that it's a conglomerate and it's quite diverse compared here with SEC, which is just focusing on coal. Coal is a dying energy source, and we all know that renewables are the future. So, so we're going all in, not really all in, most of our money into DMC. All right. So OGP, why did we sell OGP right around 10K? By the way, these trades, TXP, CBC, AREIT, UBP, we all know UBP, except for Semirara, OGP, and Ion, these are losing trades. All right, they're not that big of a losing trades, but time to cut losses and rotate those money. They ain't going nowhere. With the current market right now, which is very low, we will have that opportunity to be able to invest on much undervalued stocks and ride them high, especially if they got dividend yields as high as 7%, 6%. I would rather have those there than putting our dry powder, well, not dry powder, but like our money in dead weights, because these are what they are. We made mistakes, we have to sell them and rotate. So next up, last Thursday we sold Ion. All right, this is a small cap. I just read the news about this, so I thought maybe I should buy it, and it's on a loss, 3,100 back in our dry powder. Yep, and the last share, yep, you got it. We took a huge loss here, man. Yep, GMA7. We only got 34K back. We lost around 36K. That's supposedly 70K worth of money. And we just lost it. So there you go. Those are the transactions that we did way back Thursday and Friday. And I'm excited. As usual, I am excited. Oh, it shows now. It's 1.2 million, 1.2 million now total portfolio. We got as high as 1.3 something, 1.320. So after we deploy this 125K of dry powder this coming Monday, then we'll see. What I'm looking at this Monday, hopefully, an opening at the middle of the day is um, JFC. Hopefully, we can get more GFC. If ICT goes down, you know, um, 680 level. I would love to get in ICT. JFC is at 162 pesos now. If it's going to go down some more, maybe 5% more, we going in. hmm Apex Mining. I would love to get inside Apex Mining again. Spend some more money on them if they get back to around 6,000. I'm sorry, perhaps 16 pesos. Yep. Nico's quite attractive. It's at 4.75. It's 10% down. I think I'm going on nickel, especially right now. The price of nickel is, I know it's cyclical, but I'm not sure. Maybe we should just sell it. I'm looking on selling. Oh, by the way, on Monday, here are the ones we're going to sell for sure. Oh, Keeper. Keeper, by the way, we bought right around 1.98, and now it's down as low as 1.90, 1.90, and we're still 15% down. If it's going to go down some more this coming week, we're going to buy. I'm telling you. Plus, we now at 14.86. If this goes down 14.5, maybe 50,000 pesos worth of shares, because current value we down 17%. RCR, well, we'll hold on in that one. Metro Bank, yep, our average cost of 69, it's around 67. If it goes back down to 61, 62, 63 again, we're going to buy some. Ayala Corporation. Unfortunately, this coming Monday, if if we may, we're going to sell Ayala, Nickel, PXP, Home. Yep, we're going to use the odd lots. I think the amount, the number of shares that we have here is for odd lots numbers. What else? RFM, I think we're going to sell RFM. It's just, taking our time. We just have a full, small portfolio with them. We'll be keeping all these ICT, DMC, Virago, URC for sure. JFC will be keeping. Apex we'll be keeping. LTG we'll be keeping. Tel, MREIT, yep. Home will be selling. We selling. We selling. We selling. We keeping. RCR we keeping. Plus we keeping. Keeper we keeping. And ASIN we keeping. If ASIN is going to go back around at 2.5 pricing, definitely buying. We definitely buy it. All right. So that's it for today. Finally got the time to break it down for all y'all. Just got so busy. And that's get being busy is good, Living it up. Either bits of living or chilling dying. Till next time. Yep.